Welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a silver metallic 2023 Ford Transit Connect with our Mini T conversion. If it's time for a new vehicle and you like to go camping or traveling, the Mini T is a great option for you. Fits in a standard garage, drives like a car, insures like a car. It has all comforts of camping. Solar over-the-air antenna, 10-speed reversible max air fan, refrigerator, microwave, TV DVD player, couch that easily folds out into a 43 by 72 inch bed, storage, hitch with a 2,000 pound towing capacity. Also can be plugged into a camper outlet or a household outlet. Vehicle has lots of safety features, leather seats, built-in navigation, vinyl floor, limo tinted windows in the back for privacy. Also comes with curtains, WeatherTech floor mats. Check out the full details on our website, dlm-distribution.com, or give us a call, 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. Happy camping!